God. She was slow down, slow down. That's what I was like, ain't that on purpose? Alright guys, so I wanted to interrupt my video real quick because you guys know I love carbon, right? So it was only natural for me to team up with Simply Carbon Fiber. Thank you Simply Carbon Fiber for being a sponsor of today's video. Without sponsors like this, my channel wouldn't be where it is right now. So I'm going to talk to you about two products that they carry. One is going to be this wallet. So you guys can see this wallet right here. It is nice, it's small, fits in any pocket, and it also holds all your bills. So if you still carry cash around, you can carry some cash around, put it in the back, cards, all in one simple wallet, as you see right here. So it looks really good, it's stylish, and it's carbon fiber. So it matches all the carbon fiber in your car and your BMWs, definitely. So they also make phone cases. So I also had this phone case right here, carbon fiber, full carbon fiber, as you guys can see right there. Looks really good, fit and finish is really good. So if you're interested in any of these, they will be linked down below. Use my code JF10 to save 10% on any order. Anything you put in your cart, save 10%. Use that code and we're good to go. All right, so thank you to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. And now let's get back to the install. All right, everyone, so the PSI Midpipe has been installed. So it kind of starts from right here from the stock exhaust. Got these clamps in, and kind of goes all the way down, replaces the two secondary downpipes and the two resonators. So all piping right now, all piping. So we're gonna go ahead and lower it, see what it sounds like. He also put on the Maxton design front lip in gloss black. So that looks pretty good too. Match with all the other stock gloss black. So we're gonna get it down on the ground, see how it sounds like, see what it looks like. Alright everyone, so as you can see, I'm in the car with David, and I know this interior looks kind of familiar, doesn't it? Man, almost kind of miss it a little bit, man. But David's car is super clean. Me and him are like twins. Everybody confuses me with him and him with me around Charlotte. But he has a very nice spec. He actually went with the sunroof, as you guys can see right here. And then he also didn't. He doesn't like carbon, so he went with the different finish right here. And then he also has the paddle shifters right there, as you guys can see right there. So right now, as you guys know, he put on the PSI Midpipe. He also has the Maxton front lip. So right now we're about to grab some sound clips and see how this Midpipe sounds. Woo. Just a little bit. It's all good. Right. Man, it's all good. Right. Sorry. Everybody I ride with is a man. Definitely got a more throaty sound to it. It's definitely more throaty than stock. Okay. You ain't playing no games, huh?
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
Close to that red line. You and Yusuf, man. Something wrong with y'all, man. I don't know how y'all be driving like this. Something
We learning from you.
Oh, nah, what you talking about? Yeah, look at this. There's something wrong with y'all. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm risking my life for y'all. She was slow down. All right, everyone. So David, you got the PSI Midpipe on the car, right? Yeah. So it sounds good. Now, but that's my opinion. What do you think about it?
I think that was the sound that I was looking for. It does sound good to me. It's loud enough. But I do enjoy. I definitely enjoy the sound.
Yeah.
I'm satisfied, basically.
Oh yeah, yeah. So do you feel like the car is responding a little better? I know you opened some stuff up.
Yes, it does. Feels better. I'm not sure if it gained some horsepower, but it definitely feel more responsible.
Okay.
So.
All right. Yeah, so I don't. I think these did get tested at. I think they said about 9 to 10 horsepower or something in that range.
I think it was. They said 14.
14
that
was the exact number.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, just horsepower, no torque.
Yeah.
But yeah, they did say 14. It gained 14 horsepower. So.
Okay. Cool.
We'll find out once I do that dyno.
Yeah, most definitely. We'll be able to tell then. So guys, that's gonna be today's video. PSI Midpipe, Maxton front lip. Thank you, David, again for giving me the crazy ride along.
Thank you.
He almost killed me, but I'm still here. I'm still here, man. I don't know what's going on. Every time I ride in the car with somebody with a G80, they try to kill me. I don't know what it is. I don't get it. But comment down below, hit the like button, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.